mindset, as the name suggests, product mindset is a thought process which changes our way of execution of high-level plans and blueprints from a stereotypical process of development to strategic workflow, where focus is more on developing generic components which should have market value with more options to customize. With such mindset, we can leverage our subsystems and subsystems to work more cohesively, especially in an end-tier architecture. This will allow us to partner with cross-platform middlewares which are agile, resilient and robust. To achieve this mindset, focus more on a divide and conquer approach, which can substantiate not only complicated requirements but can also cater reusability of smaller components.
The product mindset is something that on one side you have customer expectations, needs and problems, on other side you have technology. We need to bring these two things together and bundle them up to create a software product. Once you have the software product, continuous feedback and suggestions have to be taken from customers. We need to continuously improvise on our software product to address customer concerns and issues with innovations and latest technological trends to be competent enough in the market.
Product mindset is thinking beyond the scope of your work, continuously improving, innovating, and adding new features which increases the value of the product. Being passionate and understanding the purpose of the work from the customer perspective is key to the product mindset. Only then we can think beyond and deliver the best every time. In product technology, as part of ATSV 2.0 initiative, we have started using the common tools, best technologies and the process in the industry which enables faster delivery and also the best customer experience.
Product mindset is one of our high priority initiatives which fits into business model of ATSV. It's a constant thought-provoking process on how we are delivering our solutions to our customers. It's a way of improving our systems as a software, as a service mindset wherein we think ourselves as consumers of our solutions when we deliver our end product to the consumers. We are incorporating some of the industry best practices like Kanban and Scrum methodologies within our SDLC processes. As we get into ATSV 2, we are looking forward for opportunities to create products rather than solutions which can be customized as per the customer needs.
Product mindset is about having a thought process of partnering as a team and having cross-functional understanding. It could be applied to any software solution by having components or systems that are loosely coupled from one another. This is required for better flexibility and adaptability to ever-changing business needs. From an individual team perspective, to achieve product mindset, we will need to start understanding business as a single entity instead of concentrating on individual areas.
Product mindset represents a change in the way Allstate approaches software development. So it's a shift to a more modern way of thinking about how we ensure we're delivering quality value products to our end users.
Product mindset for me focuses on the software product that as part of the vehicle maintenance team maintains. The vehicle maintenance team is part of Alliance, of course. Our code needs to be cohesive, testable and maintainable.
Product mindset, for me it's concentrating on the product. For example, what I want the product to do. This obviously for us is Alliance. I want to say what the user would like. That's going to be a fast service or a slow service.
To me, the product mindset is placing what we are delivering to the customer and what we're doing at the core of all our decision making. With the introduction of product mindset, I think we've moved over to an agile environment where we're actually interacting more with the customer and delivering the product a piece by piece instead of a one big block at the end. And that is allowing the customer to actually discuss and advise on changes, minor changes that are needed or required through the development process.
And we're also developing using React, which is a language developed by Facebook, which is being used by people like Netflix and Airbnb. So it's a very modern UI development language. So again, we're sort of living into this idea of bringing Allstate into the future. traditionally we would have had a set of requirements that don't really change that much. You can be dealing with change on a sort of weekly basis, but the advantage is being able to take that back to the product owner and say, well, look, very quickly, here's how this is starting to look. So they can go, well, yeah, we like what you're doing, move on with that. Or we can go, well, look, okay, we want to change direction maybe a little bit.
Help us get to the product mindset would be a clear line of sight to what the product actually is. For example, I see our product as software, while someone else in product technology may see the product as the policy itself from start to finish, from new business to term effective date. For our area, to achieve a product mindset, everyone needs to know exactly what the product is. There needs to be a unification of how we see the product.
I don't think there's one change per se. What I'm saying now is that there seems to be more interaction between us and the end user, being the business. I think that can only help us in the long term, because obviously trying to find out what they want will help us to do what we want to do.
I think actually moving towards a more flexible environment and using more flexible technologies to actually be adaptable, to adapt to what the actual customer is requiring, and actually give them the product that they have actually asked for, and reduction in response times also.
Yes.
In your opinion, what is product mindset?
I don't know, sorry. I gotta go.
According to you, what is product mindset?
So according to me, it's a shift in our way of thinking. I mean, instead of just focusing on bringing projects in on time and on budget, we need to focus on the long-term quality of our products and be focused on the customers and focus on long-term code quality.
Your thoughts, anybody?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, that was very good.
Of the changes that you have observed in processes and technologies within your space due to this product mindset shift?
First of all, I no longer just get requirements. I have the option of speaking to business, as in one of our team members, our product owner gets to talk to business, suggest what might make more sense, and there's more of a dialogue now rather than just a downward flow of requirements. And we are seeing options of exploring newer technology that we are using. Whatever makes more sense is what we are going with. That's the change I'm mainly seeing with process and technology.
Can I ask you a question?
You know what? I got a lot of work to do. I'm really busy. Can we maybe postpone it just a little bit? All right.
It's an easy one.
No, serious. Dude, seriously. Come on back here.
Come on, Marty. What do you think is product mindset?
Product mindset is the ability to think about the product first and putting our customers ahead of that product, making sure our customers are completely satisfied with our product, and so they have no dissatisfaction with our products as well. In essence, product mindset is putting our customers first and realizing what they need over anything else that we think they might need.
This is done. This is done.
I had a question for you. So you may have heard this buzz lately about product mindset. How do you think we can shift from project mindset to product mindset?
I think we can get there by moving away from slower waterfall processes to faster development processes that arch over the entire product life cycle.
Oh, sorry, gotta go!
What do you think about product mindset?